for ways to add more volume to your hair? Today I'm going to show you step by step how you can add more volume by just using Velcro rollers and a hairdryer. If you find this content helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. All of the products that I will be using will be listed below in the description. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. First off, you're going to start by protecting your hair before you blow dry it. So you want to use some type of heat protectant. Now I prefer it's a 10 leave-in miracle treatment. So what you want to do is just, while your hair is wet before you blow dry, just spray it. Make sure that you get all of your hair. I like to put more than usual just to protect my hair. What we want to start doing is actually blow drying our hair. So you want to make sure that you have a decent blow dryer that you can use. I'm using a Theory hair dryer. So what I do is I actually just take a few minutes and dry out my hair, but not till it's fully dry because we're actually going to use a different kind of brush to do the blowout. So. Okay, after you get most of the moisture out of your hair, you want to clip your hair back and dry each section of your hair separately. So I'm just going to clip my hair back. You can get any type of hair clip. Just clip. I usually start about here and leave this much hair. And so what we're going to do is we're going to dry pieces of our hair and then we're going to roll it in the roller while the hair is hot. So I'm just going to start by smoothing out my hair before I blow dry it, taking a piece of it. Okay, so while the hair is hot, I'm going to take the roller. And there are different size rollers. Obviously, the smaller the roller, the more curl you're gonna get, but I'm creating volume, so I use a combination of the large and smaller ones. And so you're just gonna roll it, and then you're gonna take a clip, and you're going to just make sure that it stays, so you're going to clip it in. Now, after I've done the second one, I usually just take the same hair clip I used from the first, and I clip one kind of inside of the other because I'm using a small and a large roller. So it looks like this. And then also you can take a dry hairspray and spray it, or like a dry volume blast spray by Living Proof, and just spray it to give it extra volume. So I usually do this after each piece. So after you do one section, just grab another section and then clip the rest back. And do the same thing over again. Okay, so once you complete one side, you're gonna start on the other and you're gonna do the same thing as tie your hair back. We leave the center for later, so we're gonna do something different here in the center. So just clip this hair back and then start on the other side and do the same thing. One thing I'd like to mention is you might not have enough rollers. I have a lot of hair, so I don't really have enough rollers. So what I'll do is I'll just blow dry this piece, and as I'm blow drying, at the end I'll just turn it and wrap it and keep turning it so it's like this, and then just kind of spray it and leave it. So it still adds a little bit of a curl when you wrap it this way and you blow dry it and it's hot. All right, so when you have the two sides done, what we're going to do is we're going to start on the top. So we have quite a bit of hair left, or at least I do, because I have a lot of hair. So I'm just gonna start from the back and I'm going to work my way to the front. So I'm gonna take another section and then I'm gonna clip the rest back, or in the front or wherever, and I'm going to blow dry this. Once I'm done blow drying that section, I'm going to take a large roller. I have again, I have the two sizes. I have the large one and I have a smaller one. So while it's hot, I'm going to take it and I'm going to roll it this way and I'm going to clip it. So we did the sides this way and now we're doing the top a little bit different. Just going to clip that piece and then I'm going to do the rest of the top the same way, where I'm going to take a piece of it, separate it out, clip the rest. I usually do 4 on the top. So I usually do 4 on the sides and then 4 on the top. And I alternate between the large and then I'll take a smaller one and then I'll do another large one and then a small one in the very front. Again, the smaller the Velcro roller, the more curl you are going to get. So I'm going to finish the rest of this. So this is what it looks like when you're finished rolling your hair. Looks kind of fun, right? So again, I have 4 on both sides and I have 4 at the top. And now we just need to wait. I usually wait maybe a few hours, depending on how much time that I have. If I'm going somewhere and I only have 20 minutes, I might leave it in for 20 minutes. But obviously the longer that you leave it in, the better and the more volume that you're going to get. So let's wait 2 hours and come back and see how we're going to take them out. Okay, so now it's been a few hours and we just need to remove them from our hair. Now there is a way that we should remove them so that way the curl stays. So remove the clip and then you just take each one, you unroll it, but as I unroll it, I kind of twist it so that the curl will stay. So I'm twisting as I'm removing it. And then there you have it. It's a little bit hard to see, but now you have somewhat of volume here and a little bit of a curl. Now again, depending on how big your Velcro rollers are, you're going to have more curl if it's a smaller roller. Now this is just to give you more volume. It's not necessarily about the curl. So you want to go ahead and kind of like just take each one out and then twist it and then lay it flat. So as you can see here, I have some volume and some curl. So now I'm going to take the rest of them out. And twist each one and remove it. Now you're going to want to do the same thing from the top. Just remove the clip. And take each one out. Twirl it. Like so. So now your hair should have lots of volume. You can always move it to the side. I like to part mine in the middle. So once you part it in the middle and bring it forward, you can see that my hair has a lot more volume. And you can just play around with it to make sure that it looks the right way that you would like it to look. Now I have layers in my hair. I'll probably have to move a little bit farther away so you can see what it looks like. But you can see there's a lot of volume in my hair. And then at the end, you can always add a little bit more dry hairspray or a volume blaster like the one I'm using from Living Proof. And there you have it. Hair with volume. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you found any value in the content that I shared, please click the thumbs up button. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.